Sweet. And I'm recording because Priscilla and Shayna are too shy. Oh, here we start.
Too shy. You're camera friendly.
We're moving right here. See right there. See your dirty feet, Priscilla and Shayna. Oh yeah, our feet are filthy because we just went on a nature walk.
We weren't prepared.
We were not prepared.
Shayna
and Priscilla are really scared. Oh, okay, the window's open. To record, they are.
Stand backwards.
Oh yeah, I can't wait.
Backwards.
All these people
Spider.
in here. All these people.
And see the spider.
I got Priscilla being scared.
Do not lean out open window to see. I told you keep your spider legs inside.
Wow. There's the open window where we can reach out.
See the sign? Right there. Keep your spider legs inside.
We're now moving.
Here we're going.
I just wanted to.
Sorry, it's gonna be in her pants, everybody. Sorry.
We're going really fast. We're going really fast. Look at how fast we're going. And we're moving at the same exact time.
It's much fun to think previously.
We're going so fast. We're going super fast.
Here we go on the first one.
Really scary. We're going really steep and really scary. Never.
Look for our hotel.
Okay, we're gonna cut for the second one. Look at all that over there. Wait.
Oh, we're approaching our second.
Air pollution over there. Off distance. I'm gonna be face forward to this next one. Here we go. We're gonna be backwards to the next one though. Here it comes. It's approaching. Oh my god. In front of an open window. Just do like it. It's really scary. We're gonna be back to that one. I hope so.
Anyway, I think how we do.
Notice how my feet are spread apart to keep myself stable. I'm not about to sound like this. I'm really scared. Okay.
We're about to turn around, you know.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, we're going to be back facing next week.
There's the windmills. Mills, whatever. Whoa.
I want to see some wildlife here. I feel like a nature nerd.
Shayna, you're pointing the camera. There's a hole right here. I could still fall out right now.
Me and Justine are flying out right now.
Okay? Bye guys. Okay, bye. Get this hole. Oh, shit, my legs are shaking. We just came from up there.
How about like me?
Whoa. Here we go, name an open window. And we're coming towards. I think we're coming towards. Let's try to look around. Here we go. I got an open window view of the fun part.
Ready? We're about to go
backwards down the thing. This is coming and we don't know.
You're recording yourself, seriously.
I record you most of the time. Here we come. Look how fast we're going. We're going really, really, really fast.
Look, we already went past like 2. We went over that mountain.
It's been 5 minutes.
We're so high. Oh my god! That's so scary backwards. I love it.
My lunch.
It's so scary. I love it.
decided I'm not going to hold on to the next one.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just going to let go while we go.
Isn't that the last one?
Stingy, say hi. You have to wait.
Okay, there's 2 more, so we're gonna be face forward for this one.
There's a breeze. There's a hole.
We'll just face backwards though.
No, but you can't hold on. Oh, wave to everybody. Here comes the other tram. Hi. There's nobody on that tram.
Yeah, they get a bunch of 6 o'clock right up.
Ready? We're going now.
Yeah, no.
There's on this. Hold on. Oh yeah. Okay, I can't hold on this time.
We're gonna be backwards again.
Insurance.
Oh, here we go. We're gonna get it. Okay, cannot hold on. Okay, proof. I'm not holding on. I'm holding on to this one. Still have a long way, kind of.
This is scary. This was probably the easiest tower to build because look how low it is.
Yeah.
Or you can go.
You got it all yourself 4 hours.
Yes, I'm ready.
Oh, Shannon, can't hold on. Shannon, don't hold on. Hold on to your hand.
Yeah, you can feel it getting hot.
I don't like it.
It's really hot out here.
I want it to get cold.
No, I want it. So proof. Here you go. Proof that now it's holding on. I'm holding on with both my hands. Look at my left
I
and
love
my
this
right
screen so
hand.
much, you know.
Okay, ready? Here it comes. It's right there.
Ready?
Ready?
Don't look,
Are we ready? Are we ready?
Are you ready? Justeene, you can't have this. Are you ready?
Scary with my hands.
There's like one more.
There's one more. We're gonna be
Way at the
backwards.
bottom. Zoom in.
There's one more and we're going backwards. No hands. That's where we just came. We're going really fast.
We're almost backwards.
We gotta go backwards again.
And we can't hold on backwards.
Christine, are you recording still?
Yeah, 7:59.
Okay, we still have 10 minutes.
Look at those green rocks. They're all green.
If it's at 10 minutes, stop.
Okay, we're about to go.
Okay, yeah, we're going backwards down another one. I'm trying to record all of them.
Justeene, put it out the window.
I'm trying not to.
Put it yourself.
Put it on your wrist.
How am I ever gonna? I wouldn't be able to get inside the picture if I only recorded you guys. You guys have like most of the video.
We like to use the whole story.
We should use
Okay, here we come.
You have to show off the spider.
Oh, don't hold on, anybody.
Look at all that force.
Don't hold on. Justeene grabbed onto my wrist so hard.
Look how high it is up there.
I know. I kept zooming in up there.
Look at all the green.
Okay, hold on to your wrist. We're coming right next to the last.
Imagine living down there.
Let's not do it.
She's a spider.
That big web down there.
Oh, this is Betty, Betty.
Whoa, look at it.
Does it look a little water?
Whoa.
There's a little stream down there.
Black water. Yeah, that's scary. Okay, Shannon, hold on to your wrist.
Okay, everybody get in. We're coming to another one, you guys. Everybody get in.
Oh, yeah. Uh-oh, we stopped moving.
You want to go back?
Didn't have a chance to shop.
Yeah, but you guys missed there was a bridge under a set of outside.
Oh, I saw the big
Find them in the lobby.
That one came by surprise.
I know, we didn't know.
Some people are not too happy. I don't know who though.
It's slower and calmer.
Oh, it's moving.
Let's go to the other side and see who else is around here. I want to be in the back all the time. This is where we just came from.
Way up there.
Hi, you're on our video. Oh, look, a road. We're not too very far from the ground. Sticking my head out. Oh, I accidentally dropped the camera. I'm joking.
Oh, my ear's gonna pop so bad.
Yawn.
Yeah, yawn.
Well, that's better.
That was better.
Oh, we're now getting off.